Hello friends, welcome to ASUS tutorial. Today we will discuss about basic PowerPoint. Nowadays, PowerPoint is a very powerful tool to present anything or to attend a meeting. Okay, let's start. First, we have to open our PowerPoint, and now I installed 2013 version in my computer, so I am discussing about the 2013. So first, you open the PowerPoint, then select any design. If you choose, there is some default designs appear in your home screen. If you want to this design, then you can click at here. Otherwise, you can click on the blank presentation. Okay, then your PowerPoint windows will be open. Now the main feature starts at here. First, we discuss about the home tab. In home tab, the important tab is the slide tab, font, and paragraph. These three are too much important, and the rest drawing and other tools will also appear in the insert menu. So first start at the new slides. In slides, first we get the new slides. In new slides, we get different designs of the slides. It means we for the title slide, there is already the layout is available at here. If I want to insert a slide about the title and contents only, then the design is appear at here. Then for any comparison, I can use this design layout or this layout at here. Similarly, we can insert as much as slides I want. Okay, like this. Suppose I want to change the layout. My layout is like that, but I want to change this. I don't want this layout at here. And after adding the slide, I also change my layout. Then I will go to the layout option, then change the layout. Suppose my layout at here is the two content. I want to change it to title and content. So I'll change it to the title and contents. Okay. In first slide, I have to, it is my title slide. In title slide, you only enter your title and the subtitle. Suppose my title is this tutorial. Just I click at here and write by Sahu. Okay, this is my title and subtitle. So title slide only use only for the title and subtitles. Okay. Similarly, as per my requirement, I will change the layout of different slide. I will change the layouts as per my requirement. Then most important part is font tab. Suppose I want to edit this font, then my font tab also appear in my text box also. Otherwise, my font tab is at here. I can change the font face from here, font size from this tab. Okay. And similarly, this tab is used to increase the font and decrease the font. So best option is used, best option for you, you can increase or decrease font style at here. Just I click at here, just a minute, select the fonts. Just I want to increase it. So click at here, the font will increase, and if you click at here, the font will decrease. Okay. Similarly, bold, italic, underline, all things. If I want to some drop shadow in my text, then I can click at here. Then you will see that some shadow marks in my, just look at here. In ASUS tutorial, you'll find some shadow marks, some depth at there. Okay. Similarly, you can change the font colors. Select it. Then you can change the font color at here. Any font color you want to change at here. Or you can, if no color you found at here suitable for your text, then you can click on the more colors. Then there is a number of colors. Otherwise, you can custom colors. You can click on the custom and drag this button to anywhere to choose your color pattern. Okay, any pattern you want to, you can drag and you can, or enter the value. So how much red, green, and blue you want, you can enter the value, or otherwise click at here to design your custom color and click on the OK, and your text becomes like that color. Okay, I think you will enjoy this font style. Just I make it some deep color to be to clear visual. After that, these font designs also available in your Windows. For more advanced option, you can click at here the font tab. In font tab, you will find strike through, double strike through. Strike through just to give a line, but it is not important. Strike through, double strike through. Most important thing is superscript and subscript. What is the superscript and subscript? Suppose I want to write at here. Suppose I go to the second slide and I want to write at here oxygen, O2. So I'll type O. Then I want at here so subscript. So I will click at here, then click on the subscript. Okay. Then I'll click 2. O2. So for this option, I'll use the subscript, and for the superscript, just I will use, just I remove subscript. Suppose I want to write a square, so I'll type a, and I want to type square, so I'll go to the font, superscript, okay, a square. You can see the difference between the subscript and superscript. This is the important tool, you will use it. Rest all is not too much important, strike through, double strike through, but you can use this and practice in your home at home. These options are available at here. Small caps means it will capitalize the all small letters, and all caps means it capitalize the all letters capital letter. Okay. Then another thing is the paragraph. For paragraph, I'll go to the slide 3. So I write a paragraph right here. Okay, I just write a paragraph. This is a very good point to learn computer, math, and science. Please. Okay, I just completed a paragraph. In paragraph tab, you can use at here the bullet number, any type of bullet design. Already this type of bullet available. I can change the bullet style at here, any type of bullet I want. Just I change the bullet design at here to arrow mark. Then you can check the indent. Indent means you can shift it to any indent from left or right, anywhere. Okay, so I'll click it to the left indent. Similarly, you can click at the paragraph option also for more paragraph points. So suppose you want to add some space before indentation and after indentation, so you can click at here, but this is not most important for you. Only in basic PowerPoint, we use these options available in our toolbar, in our menu bar. So first, this look at here, this is your then alignment. This is your left alignment, center, this is right, and justified. Just as if you learn MS Word, then it is same to the MS Word and Microsoft Office. This version is same to all the Microsoft Office version. Then another most important thing at here is the text direction. Text direction means suppose I want to design something and I have to write the text in a vertical style. So I will use for that I will use this text direction option. Suppose I write it here. Suppose just I insert a new slide for show you text direction, and insert a table. Just I want to change the direction of the SS tutorial like this. Okay, you can change it like this, SS tutorial. Look at here. I change the text direction from horizontal to vertical. Okay, in this way you can change your direction to any horizontally rotate the text 90 degree, rotate text to 70 degree, and stacked. Any version you want to, you can change it here. Okay, so this is a very important part of your paragraph.